it's Fuzzy. All right, today we're going to put on a new toilet seat. This seat is a BEMIS seat, and it's all plastic, no wood involved. It's a slow close, which has the slow close hinges, and it comes with your apparatus to put it on, and we're going to put it on right there. Comes with your instructions, which I don't really need, and yeah, it looks like a really nice toilet seat, and this is the round, not oval or elongated. So we're going to stick that on, and we're going to go from there. Okay, when you put this on, you get these bolts and nuts, okay, and they're plastic, so they don't rust, which is awesome. Everything about this toilet seat is plastic, so it doesn't rust. Okay, so you got to throw these in, and then tighten them down with your nuts. And then when you're done, this snaps onto those, okay? So normally, the old days, you used to put this through here and then clamp it down. They've changed that now where BEMIS anyway puts that on and it snaps on. Okay, so let's get these nuts on and we'll go from there. Okay, the nuts are in, and now I left them a little bit loose just in case they got to move to line up with these guys here. So now we're going to snap that on just like that. Bolt down really good. Now I can align it around, right? Just make sure that you see how this is on not even. So we want to move that over like that. Just a little bit better. And it's all good, right? So we kind of want it over there a bit like that. Now, close that down. And you tighten them up. Okay. Don't go too carried away, because you don't want to break anything off, right? So just nice and firm like that. You stick those things down. Sorry, the camera didn't hit that, but anyway, push those down. Put away your screwdriver, so everything nice and tight. And there you go, right? So now you got your slow close toilet. Anyhow, she goes down. So, yeah, all's good. Okay, I went with a BEMIS toilet seat just because it's a lot lighter and so on and so forth. It's plastic. I don't need to deal with the wood stains and everything. But I wanted to show you guys the old one, and it had the slow close too. And this seems like it's got the same hinges right here. Exactly the same hinges as the old one. And I'm going to show you what happened with the old one. Now you see that? They look exactly the same. Okay. Now, I believe, I didn't know this, but it looks like to me they're full of oil. And what happened is the seal started leaking in here. If you can see that, right? Look at the oil in here. So it was leaking on the toilet itself. And if you touch it, it's definitely oil. So anyway, that's what might happen one day to yours, and you wonder why that's got oil on it. And I believe these hinges here are got a little bit of oil in them, and that's what makes it slow close, right? It's got to have something in there, spring or something, but obviously these have oil, and these seems to have the same thing. So there you go, some FYI for you, and all right, good luck. All right, you guys, make sure you get out there and subscribe, and if you like what I'm doing, make sure you like it, press that notification button, and we'll see you on the next one. Content coming out all the time. All right, see you in a bit.